How to play Helldivers 2 Coop online. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the steps to engage in cooperative gameplay in Helldivers 2 online. This process is straightforward, so ensure you follow along attentively. Firstly, I'll explain how to invite your friends to join a squad and participate in a mission together. One key requirement is that you must have completed the tutorial or the training drill. After this, you will be transported to a vessel where you can access important information and queue up for the available missions. When you navigate to the social menu, you will see a list of friends added on the specific platform you're using. For instance, if you're on a PC, you'll view your Steam friends who play Helldivers 2. On PlayStation, you will see the PlayStation Network friend list along with the Helldivers 2 players. To invite or join someone, simply select their profile and choose the option to invite to a squad or join them directly. Both of you will then be able to connect and embark on the missions together. A squad can consist up to 4 players, and if you're playing across different platforms such as PC and PlayStation, you can generate a friend code to facilitate connection, and by sharing and inputting the generated code in the search function of the social tab, you can easily find and add each other as friends. Once a friend request is accepted, you can seamlessly join each other's squad, and I trust that this explanation has been helpful. If you found this video to be beneficial, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.